You click a button for a $60 bottle of health. Then you check your bank account. Your heart drops into your stomach. $250 is gone. Just like that. This is not a mistake. It is a pattern. I've been looking into the supplement company out of Las Vegas. They call themselves several different names. Sometimes it is Sweet Restore. Sometimes it is Sweet Relief. It is a shell game. The marketing looks so polished. It looks professional. They talk about blood sugar. They talk about energy restoration. They use words like clinical research. And here is the kicker. They are not lying about the science. The ingredients are actually solid. We are looking at things like berberine and bitter melon. There's also cinnamon in the mix. These have real studies behind them. Some trials show berberine works as well as prescription drugs for glucose. That is huge. But there is a massive catch. This company uses a proprietary blend. They do not tell you how much of each ingredient is in there. You are flying blind. You might be getting a therapeutic dose, or you might be getting a sprinkle of dust. Meanwhile, the billing department is working overtime to drain your wallet. I found dozens of complaints. People are clicking for one bottle. They end up with 5. They're being signed up for subscriptions they never wanted. The Better Business Bureau gives them an F rating. That is as low as it goes. People are receiving empty packages. Some people get the wrong product entirely. If you try to get a refund, good luck. It is a total nightmare of silence and delays. Some users say it works for them. Their blood sugar dropped in weeks. Others take the whole bottle and feel nothing. Zero change. This happens because every metabolism is different. Also, we do not know the dosage. You are paying a massive premium for a mystery. You could literally go to any health store. You could buy these ingredients individually. You would save a fortune. You would know exactly what you are putting in your body. These companies sell science they did not even conduct. They hijack the hard work of researchers to sell an overpriced blend. It is predatory. It is frustrating. I spend my time digging through these traps because I hate seeing people get ripped off. It makes me angry. If you want to support this work, check out the links I provided. Buying through them gives me a tiny commission. It costs you nothing extra. It keeps this channel going without me needing to take money from the very companies I am exposing. You can even just bookmark the general shopping link. Every little bit helps fund these deep dives. I want to keep you from falling into these billing holes. Your health is important. Your money is also important. Do not let a fancy website fool you. Talk to your doctor instead. Find a manufacturer that is transparent. Avoid the Las Vegas mystery box. Stay sharp. Keep questioning the things you see in your feed. I will keep looking for the truth. Until next time.